Hello, everybody! Welcome to Burgers and Frights. It seems we are just thrown right into the slaughter here. Okay, looks like we got a burger. Right-hand traffic? I have no clue. So I think we just kind of bicycle our way here. I'm not sure. This is horrible. I think this is how people get murdered. Voice crack. It's a little early in the morning. I can purposefully crack my voice if anybody is really ever interested in that, I guess. The most painful sound you will ever hear from me, I swear to you. Oh, car. Good evening, stranger. Okay, so pretty quiet so far. Relaxing. Honestly, you know, I'm just surprised that car wasn't cranking it 60 to 70 miles per hour around the corner. What the heck? Is that supposed to be my bike? That one doesn't have a basket. It's so dark. What? What? Oh my god. I could have easily got ran over right there by a train. None the what? I should head. Whoa. Dude had a little seizure for a second there. Seeing that stuff is scary though, I'm gonna be honest. It's very horrifying to witness. What the heck? Yo, what the frick? What the frick? Tailgater. Oh. That was it? Ah, see, I see that up there. That just kind of, like, speaks Siren Head to me. Evening, sir. Okay. Well, so far, we're so kind of good, I suppose. I don't like this light. It can only shine, like, up to, like, 6 feet. Oh, yeah. Oh, shoot. There's blood. They got up and walked away. Oh. Excuse me, ma'am. It's a little dark outside. Gosh. I swear. Something to do with that train right there. So you kind of got a Groundhog Day type of thing going on. It's late. I should head home. Alright. I'll get there when I'm ready. Oh, there's a ghost last time I went through here that was kind of tailing me. Maybe that was the first night. Or incident. I don't even remember. Yeah. I don't think, were you there before? I haven't seen you. So far, so good. We're almost up on the bike incident. Yeah, everybody has those days, I suppose. It happens. I don't know why he chose to do it here. Probably just got dumped or something. Screwed it up. He soiled it. Ew. Blood here. Lots of blood. Oh, train. Gotta respectfully wait. I'm glad it's not moving so fast. Uh-oh. Hi there, creeper. You're gonna start running towards me? I would prefer you didn't. There's a kind of a train here. I can't really... Oh. That's not good. Oh, frick, what the heck? She just appeared in front of me, like 2 feet away. There's no reaction time. Nope. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this is gonna get annoying real quickly if I have to dodge her. Nope. Oh my god, this light sucks. Oh, no trust. Nope, don't like that. That's really annoying. That's super annoying. Out of like the possible annoying things, that's definitely up there. Kind of stick to the middle here so I can go either left or right. Oh. Oh, slay. Is this place closed or like boarded up? It looks run down actually. Oh, my burger's bloody. That's the way I like my beef. No, it's not. I don't like that. No. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. What a weird place for a burger joint. Tunilla. And it's a spiral now instead of a bed. Is the scarecrow gone this time? I wasn't paying attention. Still think Siren Head's gonna appear somewhere up there. Maybe that is Siren Head. Maybe he got bigger. Had an evolution. He evolved. That's a problem. I'm gonna pretend that's natural. I didn't know I was being tailgated by supernatural phenomena while I was trying to admire the environment. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, the bike's gone. That's me, isn't it? That's my dead body right there. Oh, oh. Where are you going? Honk honk. With this advanced darkness like this, I don't think we would even see the train coming. Wait a minute, this is different. I don't think we ever actually crossed this area yet. Oh, this is definitely different. What the heck are you? What? Hi, hello. Greetings, stranger. Traveler. My gosh, is this like the amount of people who have died at this bridge? Or whatever this is? Oh dear, he's back. Whoa! We got a monster car! Get away. I'm glad he's going at a respectful pace. Oh dear. I shouldn't be focusing on him. I should be focusing on the potholes behind me. Oh dear. Oh yeah, this is a huge problem. I don't know how any government, I don't freaking know who does this crud. I don't know who controls the bridges. Whoever's responsible for keeping these up to date is not doing a good job. Oh dear. This stuff is falling apart. Obviously, you know, the construction folks will fix it. Oh gosh. Oh, this is great. But I don't know who actually gives out that order in crud. Okay, well, whoa, the frick? What? What? Did I walk into death?
It's late. I should head home.
It's probably fine. Oh, see, it's a toneola. Tornila. I don't know. It's a toenail. Oh, Scarecrow's back. Oh, and he's alive! It's alive! That's a bright star up there. Oh. You got some bikers out tonight. It's the lone biker. No longer is it midnight joggers, it's bikers. I don't know, dude. It's so dark out here that I feel like you're just asking to be murdered by one way or another. Oh, we're straight to the tunnel. Okay, now we're going into some weird, like, looping crud. But this is different.
It's late. I should head home.
Oh. Okay. Ding ding. Ding a ding ding. Oh, that's not good. Oh, you're just even beautiful. Oh, look at you. A true specimen. Holy cow. You're gorgeous. Oh, man. With your undead-looking face. Oh, dear. Roadblocks. Out of the way! Out of the way, bikers! The elusive joggers are gonna. Oh, frick. Oh, get out of my way. Oh, I'm biking here. I'm biking here. Oh, dear. Roadblock. Oh, cranked it. Oh, you sandbagging jerks. You folks suck. Oh, here we go again. Oh. Oh, you kidding? That's bad luck right there. I am double dead. Not yet. Oh. They freaking put another one of those roadblock things like 4 feet away from the last one, and then the biker right there just toppled me over again as soon as I got up. What a jerk. That moment sucked. Boom, 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 boom. Can make some intense music out of this. 3, 5, 4. Frickin', I totally didn't just turn into that dude on purpose out of spite. Alright, where are we going, fellas? Oh my god, you all suck. Why? Why? I can't have the most awareness in this world. You're purposely like going up, like trying to knock me over. They're purposely trying to like run me off. I don't quite frankly appreciate it. Oh, they've stopped. How close are you? Oh, yeah. Oh, safe distance. Whoa, whoa, handsy. It's getting too much. Hands. Hands. Hands, a lot of hands. Arms. I feel like you could just kind of grab one of those and rip it off the wall. Use it as like a bat or something. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Oh, the car! Of course! Of course! The big lady can't get me, so that she's sending in the little car dude. Okay, that's fair, I guess. Do what you gotta do. Honestly, this isn't so bad. This is just a pretty nice stroll. Just kind of stick to the middle and, you'll get to where you have to go here. Car or no car behind you. It's too dark. I don't think there is a car behind me. Uh-oh. I think that was canon. Okay, so I got hit by a car. That guy hit me with his car. That's why I am dead. I am dead on the road. Holy frick. What the heck? We've awoken an eldritch deity. It's too late. At least I can see now. That's nice. Oh! Oh, this is great. Are we in the upside down? What the frick? Ghosts! I can't do anything. I just have to keep kind of biking forward. That's my goal. You're not gonna obstruct my vision if that's what you're trying to do from that far away. I'll see around you. Now we seem to be going in a spiral. Wonder if that's... Oh, okay, bye, I guess. I don't get it. These dang ghosts. It's just a bike trip. Nothing more. Nothing less. Yep, still got my bloodied burger. Uh-oh. Oh, nope, we're good. What is this? Oh. Oh, no. Oh, the comedian, huh? Oh. Oh, no. Oh! Wait, who the heck are you? Death really just said you're done. You do not belong. A fair enough response, honestly, given the situation. Oh, wait, was I the driver of the car? Oh my god. Oh, no, that's huge. Wait. Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, the tables have tabled! Frick! The ghost that was haunting me was me! Have a nice meal. Oh no, I was the driver of the car the whole time? Oh no! God dang it. Well, that was Burgers and Fries. That was just short, sweet experience. I actually that was pretty fun. Honestly, I've found that to be pretty enjoyable. That was fun. If you folks want to go check this out yourself, you absolutely can. I will be leaving a link to it in the description down below if you are interested. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace out.